You sit out here and pet them like a pet. You sit out here and play music and adore them. It's like they got eyes and ears and their own brain, but they like stimulation. We're gonna pick this off right here, this baby right here, and I'm gonna taste what I grow. Because as you can see, this big corn right here, it looks like it's suffering. It needs to grow. See what the rest of the need is for it, anything else.
Right.
But that's how older people think. But I guess if I want to make a channel or show people my gardening tips, I would need something like that, right?
Yeah, definitely get a good iPhone.
So today, let me know when I'm ready.
Oh, you on it live.
Okay, on and live. All right, y'all, I'm out here in the garden again. Thank God for a day off where I could play with my babies. And today, y'all see these rows of corn right here? They're in really small areas. I'm taking them and putting them in the ground and putting them in a row. So, trying to figure out how this is going to be done because they're going to have to actually be transported into the ground. But we're going to have to section off an area because as you can see, this big corn right here, it looks like it's suffering. It needs to grow.
You think so?
So, yeah, we're going to have to put them outside. But what's the point of putting up chicken gate here all the way around this circumference if the corn is not going to be protected? You see what I'm saying? So I'm going to have to set, I guess what I'm going to have to do, maybe get a couple more of these buckets that I'm growing my potatoes in and grow the corn like that, or either make another whole area row and buy more wiring, put around it.
Mama, your phone gonna get hot sitting there.
I know I'm going to have to pick it up because it's going to be frying soon.
I'm proud of you, Mama.
I'm proud of myself. I finally found something that I like to do, and I mean, you know, it takes years to realize what your talent is. It takes years of being alone and focusing on the things that bring you joy and that you're good in. And I didn't realize I had a green thumb until I started seeing stuff sprouting everywhere.
Ain't you glad I told you to keep going?
Yeah, I love to see growth. Period. I don't think I need but one twist tie at the top. I really don't, because I can't get to the bottom for some reason. Oh, wait a minute.
Put one at the top and the bottom.
Wait a minute. Yes, I can. But yeah, y'all, this is what brings me joy. On my day off, I can spend all evening out here.
Wow.
Uh-oh. That twist tie. See, I want them to be on the inside just in case the kids come over and they run past. I don't want them to. So I've already messed up 4 twist ties already. Y'all see, I'm sweating, but that's just motivation. I don't care if I'm leaking. And today, get the camera down there, Marquise. We're going to pick this off right here, this baby right here, and I'm going to taste what I grow, because I think it's ready to come off. It's full grown.
You can pretty much eat it whenever, really.
Some fried chicken.
You gonna make some hot fried chicken?
It go good with. I think it'll go good on some fried chicken.
Look at these beans, though.
I know. Funny thing is, I ain't seen not one sprout yet, so I'm excited to see how it's gonna look.
Oh, it's gonna get taller. You're gonna have to figure something out, though.
Yeah, because it's gonna climb like Jack and the Beanstalk. That thing, they gonna climb.
Well, everything you learn.
I learned from you. Let's put it that way.
You learned from me, but your garden look better than mine.
Well, that's because I'm putting love into it. People don't realize what
garden. I put love into mine.
You sit out here and pet them like a pet. You sit out here and play music and adore them. It's like they got eyes and ears in their own brain, but they like stimulation. And I realized that the more I stimulate them, the more they grow.
Right.
So
everything got a mind of its own.
Yeah, it's weird. They ain't nothing but greenery, but they have life in them too. And let me tell you, in order to grow in life, you need stimulation. Everybody does. It's like coming out, hugging your pet in the morning or your kids. Flowers, plants need the same thing.
That's correct.
Yeah. So,
It's like meditation and serenity.
yeah, this is just what I like to do, and it makes me feel good. I don't need a club or nothing like that to bring happiness no more.
This is nice.
And this is it. I feel like I'm got too much going on out here now, but
No, you ain't never got
everything
too
that's
much.
here is needed. Because yesterday when I purchased these, I realized I should have been got them because they could have helped them grow upward instead of more outward.
It'll start growing upwards.
Yeah, I mean they are growing upward, but I don't think they would have spread it as much like that if I would have had these already. And I don't know how long these green beans are going. I don't know how tall they're gonna get, but look, something's already been eating on them, and it ain't nothing but those old things like caterpillars, and because they don't look like teeth marks from no. So we'll fill this crevice up with what you got, right? What is that? What in the hell? We'll fill this crevice up with that soil that you got.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wish I had my shovel
What if
over
we done dug up a body?
here.
What is that? So they said some stuff took place here. Oh, John. This soil don't look too bad once you get down in there. What is that? That's a big old root from something. I can't even dig over there.
Take it back to the jungle.
You see it?
That's a skeleton.
You better stop. You know how you speak stuff up? Huh? Well, I know she said that there was. So right now we're digging up a row for the corn to go. Oh, look at the worms. That's for fishing.
Yeah, that's for your garden.
Well, yeah.
Oh, I seen a video of somebody, some dude, did some type of trick that made a whole bunch of worms come up from the ground.
Yeah, with watermelon rinds.
Oh, yeah, that's what it was.
He had a bunch of watermelon rinds that he piled up somewhere. Was it the same video? You want to use this? But you suffering with that stick. You might put more power than I can.
Got a mix of.
What is that?
I don't know. Mama got a mixture of.
You know what?
I want to say that's dill, but that's not dill.
Oh, you know, I think it's something that brought off pests.